Howdy, howdy. So, this is the first part of the beam build for the house. I'm building on its side. First, I'm cutting the first layer, the size, and I'll put the next two layers on offset so it helps strengthen it. So all the joints aren't in the same spot. Well, I'll put the boards up first and I'll square it up, nail and screw it together. And hopefully I'll be able to turn it up right on its side like it's supposed to be. Not quite sure how heavy it's going to be yet. We'll see. Well, I had to go get more boards. Yeah, it's a kind of a time-consuming process when you're by yourself. Can't go as fast when you got help. But I think we'll get it. Just takes a little longer. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's finish watching it.